Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Carlina Davis of Spilling the Sweet Tea, and baby, today we have made a chicken salad charcuterie board. We have made chicken salad 5 ways. All right, y'all, the first thing you gotta do to make chicken salad the Shirley May way is to boil your own chicken. Now, you can get a rotisserie chicken from the grocery store, but my mama will always boil her own chicken. Actually, she always had a hen. Growing up in Eastern North Carolina, you can go to Piggly Wiggly and get you a whole hen for about $2, $3. That's not how it is in 2026, but we're gonna boil our chicken. I'm in Maryland, not in North Carolina. I can't find a hen, but I got a whole chicken from Costco. We're gonna boil it so we can use it for our chicken salad. To boil our chicken, this is simple chicken salad, okay? We're not putting a lot of stuff in it. My mother will always just boil her chicken with some pepper, salt, garlic powder. That's it. She will always add a couple stalks of celery and a whole onion as she boils her chicken because that gives the chicken some nice flavor. But that's all you're gonna need to boil your chicken. Let's get this chicken boiled, okay? I'm just using my Dutch oven. I've cleaned my chicken and I'm just gonna add her to the pot, okay? Let me wash my hands because I done touched the chicken and I need to touch the seasonings. Hold the line. All right, so we just gonna season this chicken really simple. We're gonna just add some salt, season her inside, some garlic powder, and then some pepper. That's it, that's all. It's not a lot to it. You just wanna boil your chicken like you're making like homemade chicken noodle soup, or, you know, this is how I would boil my chicken if I was making chicken pastry or chicken and dumplings, as most of you guys know it as. So I have an onion that I just peeled, and I'm gonna add my onion inside the cavity of my chicken. And I have a couple stalks of celery, just 2 stalks. I cut it in half, and I'm just adding it to the chicken just like this. I'm going to cover it with a little bit of water, maybe halfway in a pot, and boil this chicken until she's ready to be cut up, nice and tender. That's it, that's all, easy and simple. We've boiled our chicken, we've let her cool, so now we're going to break her down and chop her up real fine for our chicken salad. Easy peasy. She smells good. I'm just gonna throw on some gloves for me to break down this chicken. And I love making chicken salad with dark meat and white meat with the whole chicken. The dark meat just hits different to me. If I can get these gloves on. Okay, we ready. We are ready. So I'm just gonna remove the skin. I should have me a little garbage bowl. I'm gonna get me one. Rachel Ray style. All right, got my official Rachel Ray garbage bowl. So I'm just gonna add my scraps, my skin to that bowl. Make sure you're really careful when you're deboning your chicken. Get that cartilage out. You don't want to chop this up mistakenly and have that in your chicken salad. So just be careful. Make sure you're like, you know, looking very carefully that you are making sure you got all the bones, all the skin, all the cartilage out of your chicken. Because nobody wants to bite down on that. All right, chicken deboned. All we have to do now is just cut it up. It's easy peasy. So I'm just gonna start with the breast. I don't like chunky chicken salad, right? I cut mine up fairly fine. If you like yours chunky, you can, you know, make it the way you like it. But I like my chicken salad cut up pretty fine. Now all I'm doing is just cutting it up. And I'm gonna go back through with my knife to cut it up a little finer. And then add it to my bowl. I'm using a cutting board, just so you know. It's acrylic. Sometimes y'all comment me like, cutting on your counters? No, I'm not cutting on my counters. I have a cutting board. It's linked on my Amazon storefront if you wanna grab one. I just like the aesthetics of it. That's what we're looking for. This is how fine I cut my chicken salad up. There's a little couple big pieces, but it's okay. I'm just gonna add it to my bowl. Just like this. And I'm gonna get all my chicken cut up, and then we'll cut up our eggs, little onion, celery. That's it. I've already boiled my eggs. You're gonna need about 5 or 6 eggs that you're gonna chop up. So I've already boiled these. I just gotta peel them. So we're gonna peel our eggs. I have a video on TikTok that shows you like a cool way to boil eggs. It's not my idea, but it went viral in 2023. So if you want to check that out, you can. Clean eggs go here. And we're gonna peel the rest of these eggs. I'm gonna try the rolling method. Oh, the rolling method is actually elite. Y'all let me know in the comments the best way to peel your eggs. How you peel your eggs easily. So I've seen people use spoons, like crack it a little bit and then use a spoon to get up under the skin. Let me know. We have peeled our eggs. We're gonna just cut them up really fine. I normally cut mine like this to kind of expedite the egg process. You can cut yours however way you see fit. And these are like nice and hard boiled like I like them. I am not an egg person. If you follow me, you know, like I do not eat a lot of eggs. But in chicken salad, I always gotta have hard boiled eggs. Cause I'm making it what? The Shirley May way. And she always had eggs in hers. This egg want to fall apart. And I got something for him. About 5 eggs will do. You can add more if you want. But about 5 with 1 whole chicken is enough. Our eggs are cut up. We're going to add them to our cut up chicken. Just throw it in the bowl just like this. So now I'm just gonna rinse my cutting board and then cut up my celery and my onion, and then we can get to mixing up this chicken salad. Let's cut up our celery. I always cut the ends off first. And then I always get my, like the strings. Anybody else do that? I get the strings out before I start chopping my celery up. So now all I'm gonna do is cut mine up really fine. And I always just cut my celery in half and then cut that half into another half. And then get to chopping it up. I want everything to be finely diced, finely chopped up. This is not a chunky chicken salad. That was not the Shirley May way. Hers was always cut up real fine. And everybody loved my mother's chicken salad. Everybody always asked her to make it because it was always so good. And ain't no raisins, ain't no craisins, ain't no grapes. This is just regular Southern chicken salad. I guess Southern because some Southerners be putting grapes in theirs. We don't do that around here. Celery chopped up, add it to your bowl. The last thing you're gonna need that we have to chop up is onion. Just a little bit. A little onion. Don't go too far. Just a little onion is how my mama would make her chicken salad. So I'm gonna chop up this onion. We'll be right back. Why am I saying we'll be right back like it's TV? Adding our onions in just a little bit. A little bit more. That's enough. That's enough. You don't want it to be too oniony. You just like a little bit of the flavor of onion. All right, now we're gonna season. We're gonna add some sugar. We're also gonna add some salt and pepper. A little salt. That's enough. See, my mama be speaking to me when I make this. This is her signature. A little pepper. And then her chicken salad is sweet, so she has a little bit of sugar. That's enough. But this is the cheat code right here. Mount Olive Pickles. Mount Olive Pickle Company is headquartered in Mount Olive, North Carolina. My aunt and cousins live in Mount Olive, North Carolina. So I'm always going to rep the Mount Olive Pickle Company. And their sweet salad cubes is all my mother would put in her chicken salad. Not relish. Not dill relish, not sweet relish. It had to be the sweet salad cubes. So that's what we're going to put in the chicken salad today. If we can get it open. Oh, there we go. Period. Let me show y'all what these sweet salad cubes look like. You'll notice that they're about as chopped as finely as I've chopped everything else. And I feel like they're a combination of like, you know what? I don't know. They just good. Just use them. If you can find them, use them. So she would add a couple of tablespoons, add a little bit of that juice, and that's it. And mix it up, and then we'll add our mayonnaise. The last step. is the mayo. My mayo choice is always gonna be Duke's. You can use whatever mayo you like. My mother always used Duke's. I'm gonna stick beside it. So now you wanna add in your mayo. Don't put too much, okay? I'm gonna start here. You can always add, but you can't take away. So the recipe for my mama's chicken salad is in my cookbook, Memories on a Plate. I give you the exact instructions, but I've made this so many times my entire life. I eyeball it. And I think I put just enough mayonnaise in it. And did. Baby, I'm telling you, she really be speaking me. She be with me in this kitchen. Because if I didn't put enough mayonnaise in this dang on chicken salad to the T, it look just like Shirley Mae herself made this chicken salad, y'all. Look at that. To a T. That's it. You just add a little paprika and that's it. This is my mama's famous chicken salad. Our chicken salad is done. Now I'm going to show you how to make chicken salad 5 ways. Yes, 5 ways. The first way is going to be a chicken salad melt. Got my sourdough bread, softened a little bit of butter, and got me some sliced cheddar cheese and our chicken salad. So let's get started. Now, I have never had a chicken salad melt in my life. I normally, when I eat chicken salad, I normally enjoy it with crackers or just on like plain wheat bread. But I know people love like tuna melts, and I'm not a tuna girl, but I thought it would be interesting to see how chicken salad tastes as a melt. Because we explore here in the Splendid Sweet Tea Kitchen. Okay, so we got our sourdough bread. I just got that sourdough from Aldi. Got some butter that I just softened in the microwave. Do y'all butter your bread with mayonnaise or butter when you're making like grilled cheese or melts and stuff? I do butter. I like mayonnaise, but not that much. So I'm just gonna butter my toast. People say sometimes when they watch my videos, you turn something healthy into something fattening. And do. You ain't gotta make it this way. You can just enjoy it with the lettuce cups. I'm just showing you different ways to enjoy your chicken salad. Just to give you some ideas. Let's open up our cheese. 2 slices is good. And I'm just putting the chicken salad on there, and that's it. Cheese and chicken salad. This might be all right. Make sure every little piece gets a little love. And we just gonna grill this up once our pan is hot. Pan is hot. I'm gonna plop this right down in this skillet. Brown it on both sides. Baby, we'd rather have something good. Chicken salad melt. All right, option number 2 for our chicken salad charcuterie board is a classic chicken salad on mini croissants. So let's put this together. I just got these croissants from Aldi. Got my bread knife, so I'm just gonna open her up. Perfect. So all we're gonna do is just add our chicken salad. Look at that. Swoosh, swoosh. That chicken salad. This croissant smells so good. It's nice and fresh. Like that. Chicken salad perfection. This one is really cute. Too cute. Okay, option number 3. These are for my low carb girlies, okay? No bread involved. We got some butterhead lettuce. So we're gonna make some chicken salad cups with the lettuce. Love that for y'all that's trying to lose weight like me. So I'm gonna be having a couple of these. I rinsed our little lettuce cups off, patted them dry, and I'm just gonna add my chicken salad right in the middle. And I'll probably garnish it with a little paprika. Option 4, chicken salad, deviled eggs. Kinda. It works, it works, it works. I just have some boiled eggs. I'm gonna cut my egg in half, get rid of the yolk, and I'm gonna stuff it with the chicken salad. Low carb, keto folks. This is for you. Look at that. That looks so good. And I'm gonna top it with a little paprika. It's a little bit, little sprinkle. Man, that looks so dang on good. I'm putting the finishing touches on our chicken salad charcuterie board. Isn't it beautiful? I love how it turned out. The fifth and final way that we're serving the chicken salad on this board is baby with Ritz crackers or any crackers of your choice. But for my mom, she loves serving chicken salad with Ritz crackers, and it's so good. Delicious. Baby, I've got to try all the different ways that I made this chicken salad. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.